Hey guys and gals, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. So this video is a little different because I'm actually talking to you guys in my mirror. So that's a little weird. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So if you guys and gals want to see what I have in store for you, stay tuned. Okay guys and gals, let's get it on and popping with this wig that I got from Amazon.com. Yes honey, this wig is 24 inches. Her name is Gabrielle, or should I say that's the company. But yes, this wig is the truth. Only $99. I think this is the most affordable curly hair unit that is human that you can get on Amazon. I mean, she is just gorgeous. Look at those curls. Look at that bounce. I mean, sis, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get yours. This wig does come with two clasps right here, which I showed you. It also has the comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. You guys and gals already know I did a video on this. If you guys haven't seen that one, I will leave a link up above so you guys can check that out. And it also was from Gabrielle. So I'm loving it. Let's see what came in here, because you know Gabrielle be hooking us up with some goodies. So it also came with the strap like it did in the other one. I like that. So you know, you want to tie them baby hairs down and get it on and popping, you can do that. Ooh, we got a wig cap. I'm still confused. I'm gonna show you guys here because looking at this in the mirror is really weird, guys. This is my first time, like, I'm just sitting in the room, you know, filming for y'all, you know, so I just want to see how this is going to turn out. Trying to find new ways to film for you guys, that way you can see everything. It also comes with a headband. What's this in here? Ooh, so it came with a brush. And that's funny because I just cleaned my brush off. I don't even know where I put it, but whatever. And it came with some lashes. Look at these lashes. These lashes is nice. Red cherry. Right, so she is 24 inches. Let me put this stuff to the side. And I already have a wig cap, the same color, so I'm just going to use the wig cap that I have. But she does come in a bag that says 24 inches. She does also come with a net, but I took the net off so we could get this video rolling. So let's see what she's looking like straight out the pack. I'm just throwing her on without the cap. I just want to see what she's looking like. Ooh, okay, straight out the pack. She is beautiful. So yes, she's only a 13 by 4, which is right here. She's not the full lace, so you know you're gonna have to do your sideburns and stuff like that. So let's just jump right into this, shall we? But I like it. Oh my god, yes. Okay ladies, so right here I'm just showing you what I'm working with to go ahead and get these edges done. So when I tell y'all, do you see my facial expressions? That means it's going down. Like, it's going down, honey. I'm trying to get these sideburns and these edges laid. Like, go ahead sis, get those edges. Oh my god, I crack me up. But let's get into the rest of this, shall we? So right here I'm just taking my foundation. It's Il Maquillage. I believe the number is 130. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put like one pump onto the brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that onto the wig. And that's what it's looking like once it's done. And yes, voila, the wig is on, the sideburns is laid, and so are them edges. Yes, I'm loving it. I mean, if you want to add baby hairs right here, you can. I did not. I don't want to. I actually like it. So, I mean, you know, if you want to just add some of the wig hairs to make baby hairs, you can do that. But I'm going to leave it with my big forehead, you know, because then I can do this, you know. So I want to see what she looks like wet. Because 24 inches, I mean, I didn't measure her, but I guess she could be 24 inches. And like I said, this wig was literally $99. I want to say that this is the most affordable human hair wig that you're going to find on Amazon that's really, really full, thick, and luxurious straight out the pack. Like, I'm saying though. All right, let's go ahead and wet her. Even though I don't want to, let's wet her and see what she's looking like. So I just have some conditioner water and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Ooh, look at this. Oh, she's pretty. Do you guys see that? Oh, look at that. Okay, she looks good wet, like I knew she would. But I kind of like the puffiness on the dry side. I don't know. You guys comment down below. Tell me what you think. But I love her. I am super, super excited. I can't wait to wear her. And she has baby hairs, guys. She does come with baby hairs, but you know, you can always create your own. But yes, look at this. Okay, I think I'm kind of liking her wet now. I don't know. These curls is popping. Do y'all see this? Yes. Thank you guys for joining me on this video. This hair is popping. I'm so sorry, like I can't stop this hair. But yes, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video. And stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a good one.